Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Mr. D's Music Reviews. This week I am reviewing Atomic Ampli-FireBox. So if you're familiar with Fractal audio gear, Kemper, Line6 Helix for example, you are familiar with the evolution of guitar tone and IR technology. So these devices already replace tons of gear that some musicians don't want to drag. Let's say on the tour, rehearsal, public transportation. But guess what? Guitar technology is shrinking even more. Now you don't need fancy devices, big MIDI foot controllers. It got even smaller than that. Okay, unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. Ta-da! AC adapter. What else we have here? USB cable. And let's get this out of the way. Yay. That's it. I ordered the Firebox in the UK, so it was shipped with this giant AC adapter. Well, I could use this travel converter, but look at the size of this thing. It's huge. However, I have contacted Atomic Amp's customer service, and they were very kind to ship this European Type-C adapter to me. So thank you guys. This is the best customer service ever. So how can you use this pedal? Okay, let's say scenario 1. You can have it as a backup device. You already have your amp stack, let's say, and your pedal board, or one of the state-of-the-art computing devices such as Fractal Audio, Kemper, you name it. In this case, God forbid something happens in the middle of the show, you can still connect Firebox to front of the house by using it as the DI box. There you go. Scenario 2. This is all you need for rehearsals and jam sessions, especially if you're taking a public transportation, like I do sometimes. Almost every rehearsal room and music venue has a PA system, so all you need to carry with you is your guitar kickback. Scenario 3. You already have your pedal boards, or you don't have any pedals whatsoever, but you want to record your music. This is a perfect recording solution. Just connect all your pedals to AmpiFirebox and use the XLR output to connect to your audio interface. So all the examples in the opening video are recorded by connecting Firebox directly to my USB audio interface. The controls are pretty self-explanatory. You use the knobs as on the standard amp. And a great plus is the reverb mix control on the front panel here. I can explain real quick what these toggle switches do. The first two control the presets, so it's a total of 9 presets available. And the presets are controlled on the fly by flipping the switch to 3 different positions. In the upper area you can get cleaner sounds, crunch in the middle, and the lead sounds if you flip the switch to the bottom. This is how the switching logic is implemented. The last toggle switch controls cab simulation on or off. So here the cab simulation is on 1/4 inch output only, right here. On the bottom is on XLR only. You can use this, for example, if you want to feed the XLR with the cab simulation on to PA system and go with the 1/4 inch cable to your amp without cab simulation. The middle position is great if you want cab simulation on both outputs. For example, you connect the XLR to the PA system and 1/4 inch to your in-ear monitoring system or active speaker on the stage. Enable foot switch can be assigned to be a bypass switch, which it is by default. If you hold it down for 3 seconds, it acts as the A-B mode, meaning you can use A for a clean and B for a dirty tone, for example. And this is very convenient if you play live. And if you want to record guitars, you simply enable this XLR cab simulation and connect the XLR output to your audio interface input. This is the exact setup I used for the opening song. And for the solo section, I used this overdrive pedal in front of the Firebox. Works like a charm. So, this is what happens when you connect your pedal to your computer. So, let's check it out. File. Here you can export, import presets, backup and restore and update your firmware. And this is the current firmware at the time of this review. Foot switches. This is what you can assign to your foot switch. This is what it is assigned here when I press the physical foot switch. Booster and delay are on. And globals. Gate, compression, booster. I like to record with the reverb all the way down. It's only my personal preference, of course. Delay EQ. This is where you can load different amp types. For example. And this is where you can tweak a cab or load your own. This is currently what I have. And that's about it. If you need to carry as least gear as possible, the AmpiFirebox is the device for you. You need your guitar, cable, and this pedal. This is all you will be carrying to your rehearsal, and it's convenient in public transportation, or you can have it as your backup system in case your Kemper or Fractal audio unit goes nuts live on stage. Dear ladies and gentlemen, Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumb up. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to post them in the comments below.